Stock Sumo here with BlueHorseshoeStocks.com. We're doing a quick video chart update on AMBS, that's Amarantus Biosciences Inc., trading on the OTCBB. Here's the action from Friday. We saw a low of day of 057. The key thing about the low was it was right off of that 50-day moving average at 061, so it fell just below that 50-day, found support, bounced back, ended up closing strong, hit a high of 094 before closing out the day of 088. So nice rebound, bounce action, ended up gaining 27.5% on the day. The stock has been known for some big moves. We've been following it for a while, and it's been very good to our subscribers. Let's take a look at some of these historicals. Going back as far as May, it was as high as 13 cents. Here recently we ran as high as 19.5. So these are going to be our key resistance points moving forward, and this 13 cents is going to be resistance, as well as 19.5. We also have key resistance at the 20-day moving average of 094, and if we can break back above that 20-day moving average, that's going to be a good sign. Looking at the accumulation and distribution, it recently dropped off, but it had a nice bounce and it held support above the 50-day moving average. I'd like to see this accumulation distribution continue to rise. The RSI recently turned back around and is trying to get above the 50 line. That's going to be a good sign. I'd like to see the RSI continue to climb north and get back above the 50 line, the 50-day moving average, and the 70 line. That'll be up in the power zone, and that's when the stock has broken out in the past. Notice that last two times the RSI was in the power zone, we saw big breakouts in the price per share, and we hit new highs. So now that we found support off the 50-day moving average, the stock seems to be rebounding strong. We want to see it hold above that 50-day moving average and get back above the 20-day moving average. I like how the 100-day moving average is coming and getting ready to cross through the 200-day moving average. We'll be looking for the slow stow to cross. That'll be a bullish confirmation. I'd like to see the slow stow turn back around, get going north, and get above the 50 line and the 50-day moving average. We'll also be looking for a cross on the PPO. Notice these lines recently had a bearish cross. They're starting to go down. We'd look for them to turn back around, get going north, and have another crossover. All in all, AMBS has been a good trading stock. It's had some great volume and some good moves. We definitely want to keep this one on our watch list. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to stop by BlueHorseshoeStocks.com to visit our blog and check out our disclaimer while you're at our site.